Idiot.
What?
Why do we not seal it tight?
Yeah, you can pass the test. Oh.
Why do we not seal it tight? Only fingertip tight. Because
Yes.
it needs to have room to expand. See?
No. Not expand.
Not expand, but, you know, you can't have it completely tight. Or
For the air to
it'll
get
be
out.
tight,
You have to
and
let
you
the
can't open
steam
it.
and the air get out. Yeah.
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 You don't want it to blow off.
Well, it just wouldn't seal, that's all.
Why do we wipe off, make sure that the ring is clean?
Yeah, why do we do that? Why do we wipe off? It's not the ring. It's the rim.
I wasn't there.
Why do we wipe?
Yes, you
Well,
were.
you said you could pass the test.
Well, if you would have said rim, I would have
Okay,
knew.
why do you wipe off the rim? April.
Oh, me.
Yes.
Oh, because you have to make sure that it'll seal. If you don't, it won't seal.
Yeah, so the lid has a good seal.
Yes.
Okay.